Rescues Crypto Cave here. Goal for today is I want to get the 12-inch wide vents installed there and here and here at least. And then I still have to do the top row yet, but I had them in the house. We got a late start today. It's currently 2:45. I want to see what I can bang out before the rain comes. It's supposed to start to rain around here around 4 or 5 o'clock. So I'm going to see what I can get done, and we'll catch back up with you later. All right, just finished up the 4 vents that I want to install. As you can see, it's a pretty snug fit between the 14-inch wide ones and the 12-inch wide ones. So almost this entire wall is going to be just nothing but intake vents, which hopefully will be enough. The 14-inch wide ones are this column. The second column here is 12, then the 14, and then 12. And then the 14's got MERV 4 filters in them, and the 12s I can only find MERV 5s or higher. But I'm going to start off low and then see how it goes. And if I end up having too much intake, which I don't think is going to be an issue, but you never know, I could always increase the MERV rating of the filters to add some more restriction to them. Let's take a look on the inside. Currently 91, 78 outside. The door's been open, so it hasn't been really drawn any air through. So I wanted to have the door open because I left the rigs running as I was cutting all the holes. And I'm covered in sawdust because I was pretty much blocking it all. But with the door open, there's gonna be less draw coming in, air being pulled in through these intake vents. It's gonna be mostly going through the door, so they heat it up over here. So let's close the door. Keep an eye on the gable vents. I can still feel some. Yeah, they're still moving some. But yeah, there's definitely a decent amount of airflow coming through here. I can tell the difference in the filters, but there's definitely more airflow coming through here than there is here. So maybe I'll reduce them and see if I can find more filters like this, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to let it run for a while. It's supposed to rain here shortly, probably within the next hour or so. So I just wanted to get those four installed, and then maybe the top row I'll do those on Wednesday. That's the next day I'm off. But so that temp's 91. The air intake coming in and out one is 84, 91 there. We got 106 up there, 96 there. We'll see how it runs, and then we can give an update on Wednesday, just get an idea how this thing's going. Just gonna have to run for a while. You can hear the S19 starting to ramp up a little bit, but I believe that one's on here, and this is the Ivy-Link and S19J Pro. This outlet, the blue one, I believe is just the 3080s, which is triple mining, Ergo, Caspa, and Zill right now. And then that ASIC on low power mode. And then everything else is on the red one, which is on that PDU, which it is over. So I need to spread some out. I may decommission these guys too. Those guys are on that. That's a Mini Doge Pro and a KD Box Pro. Yeah, just a regular Pro, not the 2. So I might be just decommission those and let them sit. So, but we'll see how it runs. And that temp creeped up to 92. So it is getting warmer in here. But, we'll see how it goes though. Just let it run for a while, and I'll just keep an eye on it. But until the next one, we'll catch you later. Take it easy.